Are you encountering errors like your primary bank account is not verified? Please try again with a different bank account. Or we're facing slow third party services, kindly wait a few minutes and retry. Well, don't worry. You can solve these issues by following few simple steps to verify your bank account and ensure a smooth e-sign process. Here's what you need to do. On the Aadhaar e-sign screen, press the back button to return to the previous menu. From the top right corner of the screen, go to the profile section. This is where you can manage your account settings and linked bank accounts. In the profile section, find and click on the banks and mandates section. If your primary bank account is not verified, add a different bank account to your profile. Please ensure that the new bank account details are correct and try the Aadhaar e-sign process again. We hope this helps you overcome any issues with Aadhaar e-sign. Thank you for your patience and see you in the next video.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing. Please read the risk disclosure documents carefully before investing in equity shares, derivatives, mutual fund, and or other instruments traded on the stock exchanges.